Okay, now let's review first descriptive statistics and few preliminaries. As you can see, I have written what I think about statistics. It is the collection, describing and making inference of data or from data. Data is also called observations, and read these definitions along with the examples of parameter and statistic. And this is, look at this population and sample little diagram. Suppose this is the whole population, which is mu, population whose parameter is mu, which is a population mean, and from that population, suppose you are collecting a sample, and on the basis of the sample you will have calculated a sample mean x bar. So statistic x bar is for population mean. Next slide, let's see. Here is an example. If you want to estimate how tall American adult males is on the average, so your parameter would be average height, which is denoted by mu. Your whole population can be called American adult males, and so identify population and parameter, as you can see. And also think about what the sample would be and statistic would be. In sample, you have to remember, you have to, for each 50 states have to be represented maybe based on its size, so think about all those things. Now statistics can be divided into three parts: collecting data, descriptive statistics, inferential statistics. We are not going to talk that much about these collecting data, but we are going to discuss descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics is organizing or describing data, and inferential statistics is known statistic is used to make inference about unknown parameter. Collecting data, different methods of collecting data, which was described in the lesson: personal interview, telephone interview, web-based survey, self-administered questionnaire, direct observation, all those. Now also see all these, read probability, non-probability methods, different types of studies, observation, experimental. Experimental is not same as random sample, is random assignments. Now different types of data: qualitative, quantitative, non-number and number data. Qualitative is also called categorical. You read about nominal, ordinal, names, order, important, ordinal. Descriptive statistics to make data more meaningful or easy to understand, because if you have all the numbers, it may not make any sense. You have to make some meaning out of it to understand it. You have two methods: graphical way and numerical way. And graphical way is graphs for qualitative or categorical data, or graphs for quantitative data. You have read all these different methods, you can read through these. Numerical way, first the measure of central tendency, where the majority of data seem to be concentrating. So different methods of computing the center: mean, average, also called average, median. Median is called middle value, and remember, to calculate median you have to do all three things: number 1, number 2, number 3. Number 1, arrange the data in increasing order. Number 2, find the location. Remember, location is n plus 1 over 2 is the formula. And number 3, location is not median. Number 3, you find the value in that location to find the ordered data. Now if you don't do all these three things, you are not going to find the median all right. We'll show you an example in a while. Mode is simply the value which is with highest frequency. Trimmed mean, then the example for median. Look at the example 1.